What's going on, guys, and welcome to another video tutorial. In my last video, I went over the Kanban board and its various functionality. I mentioned in that video that I was going to go over the issues module, and I failed to do that. So now I'm going to do a quick video that just covers the issues module and how you can use it for trouble ticket tracking within a Taiga project. Thanks for watching and stay tuned. Alright, so I'm going to be using the same project that I used for the Kanban demonstration. I'm going to go into this project. As you can see, it's right where we left it. It has all the same cards that we had before. Again, the issues module is already turned on. If it's not turned on in your project, you're going to want to go to settings, go to modules, and then just tick this little slide bar over to on next to issues. Once you do that, you can click into the issues module, and you'll see right now we don't have any issues. If we click new issue, we can describe the problem that we're having. For example, unable to move cards. I've never actually had this issue, but I'm just using it as a demonstration. I can also tag it as for the IT department. You can also put your name in there just so that you can keep track of the issues that you submit. If it is relating to a specific computer, you could put the computer name in there, for example. Again, tags are arbitrary and you can use them however you want to make your process work better. You're also going to want to put a pretty good description of the issue that you're having. You want to be descriptive because the person who's taking a look at this issue to solve the issue for you, this is the only information he's going to have to actually work the issue. So you want to be descriptive on what's actually going on. And if you're able to, I would take a screenshot if you're seeing an error or something and add it as an attachment. That way the person who takes this issue on to look at it can see what you're seeing. You can assign this issue to somebody specific. Again, you can assign it to a role or to an individual. If you have a role, like IT department, for example, you can assign it directly to the entire department as a role. You can also come in here and describe what type of ticket this is. Is it a bug, a question, an enhancement? We'll change it to enhancement. What's the severity? Is it a wish list item? Like, it's not really important, but it would be really nice if Taiga could do this, that, or the other thing. You can select wish list, and then it escalates in severity from there. So we have minor, normal, important, and critical. And as you see, when we change these different values, it is going to change the color associated with that. For priority, we have low, normal, and high. And when we create this issue, it's going to create a card in the issues section. Just like all of the other cards, you can move it through various statuses, but there's a couple of additional ones in here. One is needs info, one is postponed. When I go back into this card, it's going to appear very much like a card in the Kanban board, except it's in the issues section. One of the things I found that you can do down here is you can promote this to a user story. So if this issue is not a quick fix or something that's going to require multiple steps to solve, the person who takes this on to solve the issue or to make the correction or provide the enhancement can click this button, and it'll actually turn into a card within the project so that you can add subordinate tasks. You can reassign it to somebody to actually be worked. All of these options that are under each of these categories, type, severity, and priority, they can all be customized by going into the settings, attributes, and then you have severities for issues, types for issues, and priorities for issues. So you can add varying priorities. Let's say issue types. We have bug, question, enhancement. We could do, I don't know. You could create a type of issue for authentication. If that's something that's common, you have authentication issues in your organization, you might want a separate category for that. You can also move these around. The order that they appear in here are going to be the order that they're presented when somebody clicks on a new issue. So again, this is just an easy way to track any issues that individuals may be having, either with the platform itself or potentially even with cards. So if I was assigned this card to prepare OBS, but every time I launch OBS, it crashes, I could put in an issue for that, and then my IT department or a technician can see it and troubleshoot what's going on with that particular issue. And that pretty much wraps it up. That is the issues module in a nutshell. It's a pretty straightforward module, but it can be very helpful for trouble ticketing and for issue tracking. I do want to take a moment to say thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so you never miss out on future content. If you have any ideas or requests for content on other technologies or other systems that you'd like me to cover, please drop a comment down below and I'd be more than happy to do a tutorial just for you. Thank you and God bless.